If you need to add a collaborator in SurveyMonkey, this quick guide will show you exactly how to do it in just a few steps. This is useful when you want to share access to a survey with a teammate, client, or anyone helping you build, review, or manage responses. If this tutorial helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more simple software guides. Let's jump in. First, go to SurveyMonkey and sign into your account. Once you're on the dashboard, click on the survey you want to share with a collaborator. Make sure you open the correct survey, because the sharing options only apply to the survey you select. After the survey opens, look for the Share Preview icon in the top right corner of the page. This is where SurveyMonkey gives you access to sharing and collaboration options. Click that icon to open the sharing menu. Inside the sharing options, you'll see a button or link that lets you copy a shareable link for collaborators. Click Copy to copy the link to your clipboard. You can then send this link to the person you want to collaborate with by email, chat, or any other messaging tool you use. Before you finish, it's a good idea to check who already has access. Find the section labeled People with Access and click on it. This will show you the list of users who can currently view or work on the survey. It's a simple way to confirm that the right people have access and that your survey is being shared the way you want. If you're working with a team, this feature can save you a lot of time. Instead of sending files back and forth, everyone can work from the same survey setup and stay organized in one place. That makes collaboration easier, faster, and much more efficient. And that's it. You've now learned how to add a collaborator in SurveyMonkey. It only takes a few clicks once you know where to look. If you found this video helpful, please give it a like, subscribe for more tutorials like this, and I'll see you in the next one.